Hey, what's up guys? Spencer here, and today I just wanted to show you really quickly how to use your Bose alarm clock CD player radio system. It is really simple to use. You do have to operate it from the remote control. There's no buttons on the device itself. And on the remote, we'll just go over each button one at a time. So we've got the on-off button to turn off the alarm or to turn on the radio. And then you've got the sleep button, which with the sleep option, you can change it to turn off after a certain amount of time. You can set it to anywhere from 30 up to 90 minutes, or you can turn it off. Or you could actually go anywhere from 10 minutes to 90 minutes. And then you've got the mute button for muting any audio that's going on. And then you've got the AM FM button for switching between the two. And then you've got the CD button, which there's no disc in there. And then the auxiliary button. That's for if you have another device connected to it, which you can connect just about anything you want to this. You could even set it up for Bluetooth if you got an adapter for it, or you can connect another CD player such as a 5-disc or a 400-disc. And you could even connect your TV to it if you really wanted to. And then you've got the volume up and down, of course, all of your presets. And to set a preset, you would set the station that you want to preset. So let's go to FM radio. And then if you hold down the preset option, it will save it. And then you can at any time just push the preset and it'll jump straight to that station. You've got 6 different presets on there. And then you've got the seek and track selection button. If you push it once, it will automatically tune to the next active station. Or if you have a CD in there, you can just skip to the next track. And then you've got the play pause button for the CD player and the eject button. And then you've got the tuning/MP3 button. If you're set to AM or FM radio, you can, instead of seeking directly to the next station, you can do it one at a time. And then if you have an MP3 player connected, you can use that for skipping through the song. And then you've got the time buttons. So at any time you can hold the time button down and it will allow you to adjust the time on the clock. So it's super easy to change the time. And then you've got play mode, which the play mode button, if you're on AM FM radio, it will switch between talk radio and music settings. So that way the talk radio comes through a lot clearer, and for the music aspect, it's optimized for that. And then over here you've got all of your alarm switches. So you can turn on and off the alarm quickly just with a button right there. And then the Wake 2 button, that one is a really cool feature on here. With that, if you're on an AM FM radio station, you can hold that down and it will set that to automatically turn on when the alarm goes off. So if you're on like station 103.9, you can adjust the volume to exactly where you want it to when it goes off. And then you would hold down that button until it beeps twice. I'll show you real quick. So then we'll set the volume where we want it. And then we'll hold down Wake 2. And then it will beep twice, and that means that it is saved in there. And when the alarm goes off, it will set it to that station. Or if you have a CD in the CD player, you can adjust the volume to where you would like it to be when the alarm goes off. And then also set it to the track that you want to hear. And something that's also really cool about when the alarm does go off instead of it just setting it directly to the volume that you put it at, it will fade in and adjust to that volume, and it will do it for about over a minute period. So for an entire minute, it will turn it up gradually to the volume that you set it at. And with the alarm time button, you can adjust the alarm time. It's really easy to do that too. So you can see right there, it's adjusting it. Let's take a quick look at the rear of the device, just so you know what all of those connections do for you. On the back of it, you've got your normal power cord connection. It is a removable power cord, which is kind of nice. And then it's got the FM and AM antenna connection, and then a Bose link connector for setting this up with another Bose system. And then the auxiliary in port, which is a standard 3.5 millimeter jack, but you can get an adapter for Bluetooth or for RCA audio or the red and white connections. And then you've got the headphones connection for listening to the CD player or the radio with headphones instead. Just to show you real quick how to set the Wake 2 alarm, I'm going to put in a CD. And then use the remote, and we'll set it to a track that we like. So press play, and then let's say we like track 5. We'll set it to that, then we can turn up the volume. And now it's all set. So now it is set up, and when the time does reach the specified time on the alarm, it will automatically turn on and fade into that track. So that was a full demonstration of your Bose Wave radio system. It's got the CD player built in, an AM FM radio. If you're looking to buy one of these, you can get it on our website. You can shop online at SpenCertified.com, or you can call to order using the phone number in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.